Here we have a diagram of the water phases in its natural environment. At 1 atmosphere pressure, it can change from ice to water or water vapor. Now, but below 1 atmosphere at 0.006 atms, it will hit a triple point where any of the water phases can change into any of the other water phases. From water to water vapor, from ice to water vapor, or any other direction. Now, that also, at the triple point, it has to be at 0.006 atms and 0.01 degrees Celsius. That is the only point at which it has a triple point. Now, over here at 1 atmosphere and at 100 degrees Celsius, water has its natural boiling point when it naturally boils. And if you even go further down in higher degrees, at 374 degrees Celsius, it will no longer ever be water, since the heat has officially turned it into water vapor. And at 218 atms, it can no longer be water vapor because the pressure is too high for water vapor to exist.
There are 3 phases of water: ice, water, and water vapor. When ice turns to water, it is called melting, meaning the ice heats up and changes to water. When water changes into ice, it's called freezing, meaning the water gets colder and changes into ice. When water changes into water vapor, it is called evaporation, meaning that the water heats up and turns into water vapor. When water vapor changes to water, it is called condensation, meaning the water vapor cools down and changes to water. When water vapor and ice change, they skip the water cycle completely. When ice changes to water vapor, it is called sublimation. And when water vapor turns to ice, it is called decomposition. That is a very fast heating or cooling of a solid or a gas.
Evaporation is the vaporization of a substance with the use of external heat without directly boiling said substance. When the molecules of the substance are heated, they start to rapidly move throughout the container, increasing vapor pressure, P. When vapor pressure exceeds 1 atm, or atmospheric pressure, water vapor is released, absorbing or taking away this last layer, this first layer, of the substance. When this water vapor leaves, the substance has less molecules and less kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is related to heat, therefore the substance goes into a cooling process, so the substance is cooled. This process repeats itself until there's no more of this substance left. This ends the process of evaporation. And the bell rang over me, didn't it? I just realized that!
Like that. Hold on a minute, just don't fall on back. Let them know that you're too much. And this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell. School